Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Misfire issues in vehicles can come and go due to a variety of reasons, such as intermittent spark plug failure, fuel system issues, or temporary sensor malfunctions. These problems can cause the engine to run unevenly or lose power sporadically. To address this, regular maintenance is key. Checking and replacing spark plugs, ensuring the fuel system is clean, and diagnosing sensor issues can prevent misfires from becoming persistent problems. Always consult a professional mechanic for accurate diagnosis and repair.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.